Welcome to another episode on our channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I haven't done one in a while. I do enjoy unboxings, but not as much as customizing figures. So this is going to be of a musician. I have shown you a couple of musicians in the past. I've shown you Elvis Presley from McFarlane and Cher, which is a Barbie. I haven't shown you yet my Beatles set. I was able to get some customized heads a ton of years ago on eBay and then kitbashed those figures together. I haven't shown you them yet, but eventually I will. So this is a recent edition of a musician. I think you'll enjoy this unboxing. But I really, truly, truly, truly love creating things and customizing things. And I'm getting close to actually finishing my Batman trilogy set, and this close. And most of those are customs. So out of all the figures I've shown you thus far, only 2 of them are Hot Toys figures, complete figures from Hot Toys. That's Catwoman, portrayed by Anne Hathaway, and Batman by Christian Bale. But everything else is kitbashed. So I have Alfred, portrayed by who Michael Caine portrays in the trilogy series. He's actually present in all the 3 movies. I have Lieutenant James Gordon, Gary Oldman, John Blake, Joseph Gordon-Levitt. I have the Joker, Heath Ledger, Henry Ducard, Liam Neeson, Lucius Fox, Morgan Freeman, and I did say Michael Caine, didn't I? Alfred. Okay. So I still need to do the Scarecrow, Cillian Murphy, Bane, Tom Hardy, and Harvey Dent, Aaron Eckhart. When I get the 3 in that I don't have, I'll show you those as I get done with them in terms of kit bashing, and then I'll bring everybody back together along with the Batman light that we created in another episode, so that even that was customized, which was fun, figuring that part out. So anyway, yeah, I think we'll have fun in the next set of episodes, but today it's definitely an unboxing. So we'll pause now and I'll get set up for that. So here is our musician. This is a Prince. Just got it, so this is an unboxing. It came with plastic wrapping around it and in a box that has definitely seen better days. So I'm hoping this art box is okay. So far, just looking at it through the plastic looks good, but we'll know more after we operate and open up the plastic. So let me do that now. I don't think I need an exacto knife for this part because it's just tape. Oh, this is made by SooSoo Toys or SooSoo Toys. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's SooSoo Toys. Wait, it weighs something. Interesting. Oh, do not drop, do not drop. That's a long piece of tape. Okay. Which is very sticky. Okay. All right. Get this baby out. Oh, thank God. It's one of those that opens up like a shoebox. Okay. I should show you. Okay. So there is a little, I don't know if you can see it actually. There's like a little kind of It's not a cut. It's just, like somebody took their fingernail went like that on the box. Slight there, very slight here. Of course, it looks like the back is pretty much in almost perfect condition. Maybe a little something at the bottom in terms of just, white showing on each end, but that's minimal. This side looks pretty good. Yeah. And really, even though it has maybe these slight indentations, it's not bad. So given that the box was kind of beat up and it looks like the box was made, cut to size, that sort of thing, made, and only a plastic liner put around the mailer box, it survived pretty good. There was no foam on the inside, so it was really possible it could have arrived in worse shape. Thank God it did. And of course, yes, I love the picture. Yeah. And on the inside, let's put that over here. There's a cover. That's cool as well. So let's take that off and see what we have here. Comes in two pieces. So the bottom piece, I'm going to go in a different order, I guess. The bottom piece it looks like it's, so it looks like a stage stand. You see what I mean by a stage? And then big piece. Interesting. So that piece kind of goes like, probably like this somehow. My thinking. Let me pause and at least get the stand together. It comes with a lot of lights. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lights. So we'll pause, I get the stand together, and then we'll continue with the unboxing. We are back, and the stand was quite a journey. So I had this one piece, and then I had a second piece, and figured out, okay, that has to be attached somehow together. I saw some openings. I thought, okay, that's where the lights go. So I was on the second piece, I saw some openings where it goes together here. And I thought, okay, there are four openings. That's where the lights go. And that wasn't the case. These two pieces do attach like so. And there are two pieces here that go into this top piece and two pieces here that go into the other side. They're hard to get in. One side was especially hard. I actually had to pull it and then slip it on because it wasn't good. It didn't line up quite right. So you got to tug at it and put it in. So that was a journey. Just know that these two pieces snap together. They're two M's shaped sort of like M's with a bar running up, and they go into 3 pegs on the side, the furthermost side of the stage. So 1 M there, 1 M there, and then the lights go into the next closest set of pegs towards the edge. Not the furthest. This is for the furthest. This is slightly more in, and they attach to those pegs. So there you go. It looks, I think, pretty neat. It's just going to take up a lot of room if you use this particular stand. So this figure is cool looking. There's Prince for you. It really looks like Prince. He actually comes with picks. purple picks. That does not surprise me. So this is 4 of them, apparently. And I'm just trying to open them up so I can actually see what they look like. This is where you don't want to lose anything. And in this household, oh my gosh, you drop anything on the floor, it could be a goner. So the picks are very, very tiny. And they basically has his symbol on them. You know, like the Prince, formerly known as Prince. He became known as a symbol, and that symbol is on all 4 of these picks. So on one side, actually on both sides, the symbol is evident. So it's just a pick, kind of a triangular piece. So 4 picks. Then we have the guitar. This is interesting. It's a very substantial piece of plastic protecting the guitar. I guess perhaps they felt it was vulnerable to breakage, and they really wanted to make sure that it got to you without damage. All right. So there is his guitar. So he would hold it with this hand and then pick on that side. And we do know he was a wonderful guitarist. We are back, and during the break, I had my husband look up that song where he did an awesome, exceptionally awesome solo with the guitar. It was the song "While My Guitar Gently Weeps" by George Harrison. George Harrison's son was performing with the group. Tom Petty was the lead singer, and Jeff Lynne was the one who sang the chorus. It was a wonderful song, rendition of the song. And during the Hall of Fame induction for George Harrison. So if you haven't seen that rendition, that with Prince and Tom Petty and John Lennon and Steve Winwood, I believe, and George Harrison's son, you should look at it. It's I mean, very impressed with their performance. So here's Prince, and during his Purple Rain days, right? So he's got that purple outfit. He is absolutely awesome to look at. The only problem I saw with the figure, couldn't get the pick into his pick hand because the thumb and the finger were merged together. So I had to be very careful using an exacto knife to separate the two, and then I could get the pick actually in. But everything else is great. He's holding the guitar right. This is perfect. Once you get the thumb away from the finger, it will hold the pick very tightly. You don't have to be, I don't think, too consumed about losing it. It's pretty darn tight. The stage is awesome, although it is large. But it's just a very well done figure by SooSoo Toys or SooSoo Toys. I don't know how to pronounce it. SooSoo Toys. And thank God for third-party toy manufacturers who make things that nobody else is making. And this is one figure I don't think anybody else is making. I haven't seen anybody else make it, after all. So we will pause and get him on a turn tray so you can see him from different angles. We are back, and even though he comes with 2 other sets of hands, one in the shape of fist and one set more relaxed, I don't really see posing him in any other hands other than these 2 hands, one to hold the neck of the guitar and one to strum and hold the pick. And that is a tight fit. It's not going to go anywhere. And like I said, I had to actually separate the thumb from the first finger to actually get it pick in there. He's got a very nicely tailored purple jacket full of glitter. I love this leopard skin strap that he has on. The boots are just cool looking. And even down to the details of having that symbol that represents the artist formerly known as Prince is there. It's not only on this side, but it's also on the other boot. Very complete, very nicely done by SooSoo Toys, or SooSoo Toys. I'm not sure, again, how to pronounce it. But he looks absolutely awesome. I'm so happy I actually got this figure. I debated and debated and debated and decided to get it. So we'll pause now and get some tighter close-ups from here on up, and then get one directly of his face. We are back, and I don't think we need to do full turnarounds here, but we'll go profile shots from here. And again, I think you can see the pick in his right hand more clearly now, especially as we turn it here. And the other profile shot here. We know when he performed, he wore lots of makeup. So yeah, this does look like Prince. So we'll pause now and get a real tight close-up of his face. So we are back, and the cheeks may be a little wider than what you would expect with Prince, but overall, the presentation is an absolute winner from my perspective. Here's one last look at our 1/6 scale figure from SooSoo Toys of Prince. I hope you've liked what you've seen. If you have, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, please have a great day.